In today's video, I'm going to show you how to face swap images using Canva. Let's pick a YouTube thumbnail document type to work with. You can actually use any document type of your choice. And let's go right here where it says apps and search for face swapper. This is the one we'll be using here. I'm going to click on open. So it says for best results, use images with faces that are clearly visible. So I'm going to be picking up the original face and the new face I wanted to have. So I'm going to go to my choose file here. This is the original face I want to be using, and I'm going to choose the new face I wanted to have, which is definitely my face. You're going to be the judge of it, whether it turned out to look like my face. This is the original face, and this is the face we are swapping it into. I want this face to be inside this hairstyle and all that. So I'm just going to click on swap faces. Please wait, the AI is working hard to get it just right. That's grammar. So yeah, it has finished swapping the faces. So be the judge of that. Do I look like this? Does this say it's my face? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do have a good one.